comment,
Who's your
subscribe,
favorite YouTuber?
like, and share. We are a kid-friendly channel. And so Alex. Oh! He looks so dumb.
Okay, who's your favorite YouTuber?
I have a lot. Okay, one is Markiplier, one is Dan TDM, RCL Beauty 101, Jenna Marbles, Jacksepticeye, Lil Kelly, Little Carly. Honestly, I have to say this one. I never watched this channel, but it has to be our channel. Set you guys up. Hey guys. Today we're going to a party. My mom is cutting some vegetables right now. Fruits.
Why did you put that there?
Please, you're socializing. Soliciting. Not socializing.
Hello.
What up?
I don't know you. Go away.
Where's the cold hard cash?
I told you to never come there!
Hey, pictures or it didn't happen? What? That was in the hole. No, don't throw it at me.
Comment,
Who's your
subscribe,
favorite YouTuber?
like, and share.